He tauroa tēnei mō te kapa Tactix.
No one expected us to be in this position, but I think we started off really strong from the beginning of pre-season all the way to now.
Engari, ko tahi te kēmu e toe ana, ara ko ngā whiringa toa o te whakataetae ANZ.
It's one of the reasons I did decide to come back to Tactix, because I wanted to bring that trophy back here to the mainland region.
Ko tā Paris loko tui, he kaupeka pua waitanga tēnei mō te Tactix.
Just super happy with how things have gone and how I've been able to take those learnings and put them onto court.
Smothering! Oh, Watson! Soonest cleans up and Tactix have it.
Last week was a true testament to how we've kind of, gained that connection over the past few weeks, and prior to that, obviously we had struggled, but I think last week gave us really good confidence to work as a unit and, be cohesive together. So just trying to, copy and paste that into this weekend coming, and hopefully we can get the win.
Mystics, the reigning champions.
Nō te kaupeka nei i toa ai te Mystics i ngā kēmu e iwa, engari i toa te Tactix i ngā kēmu e whitu, me tētahi hinanga nui ki te kapa Mystics. Ko tā te poako a Donna Wilkins, he mea nui kia whakahou mō te whiringa toa.
We haven't won, and I don't know, you probably have to go back through the record books to see when a netball team from Christchurch has won a championship. It is a great opportunity, but history's history, and the Mystics are amazing. They've won the last 2 seasons, they've shown what they can do, and they did crush us in that last round, but this is a grand final and anything can happen, and if we play our brand of netball, I think the outcome will be different.
E whakaro ana loko tui, ka tae e tōna tīma te toa.
Yes, 100% I do, and I think last week gave us heaps of confidence again to kind of manipulate that and do that again in Auckland.
On the day, it will be the team who brings it, and I have full belief that we will bring it.
Nō tēnei rāmere karere te tīma nei ki Tāmaki, a te rahina ka mōhio mai ko wai katoa te whakataetae poi tarawhiti o ANZ. Hora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.